cutting it up, coloring it with yellow, light blue. Now using a white sheet, making a greenery, putting over it, using clay to make a snail, as you can see. In the next, we are using a black sheet and using a bubble plastic to make a snowman, as you can see in the video. Cool. Now, the next is using this to make a flower. So firstly, we are making a buds and petal and coloring it up in this way, as you can see, applying it over the white sheet, making its stem by using the black marker. In the next, using a white sheet, making a greenery and using this peanut shell to make a birds over the greenery. It's ready. Beautiful. Now the next is this alien van. So just drawing the alien in this way and creating the space around it. Amazing. In this, we are making a cute teddy. So just we are using a dry leaf, shape it up and it's ready. Cool. Amazing. In the next, we are trimming a sheet in this way and using a clay to make a branch. Now putting these sheet in this way to make a nest into the tree. Now applying a green tape onto the white sheet and making a dancing tree by using bubble plastic, as you can see. Isn't it look so amazing? Now in the next, we are making a branches in this way, as you can see, with the help of marker and using this sheet, a red color sheet, shape it like a flower. Wow, beautiful. In the next, using 2 sheet, cutting it up with cutter that shapes like this. Now using compass, cutting it out in the center, pasting it. It's ready. In the next, we are using this clay, round it up and now using peanut shell, insert into it in this way that creates a flower, as you can see. Now making the same flower and applying over the white sheet, making its stem by using the black marker in this way. In the next, we are going to make a garbage collector by using a sheet. So just folding it up, making it a stick. It's ready. Now we are using a leaf to make a broom. So just grabbing it up and wrapping it up like this by using a plastic thread. Trim the edge of leaf in this way. It's ready. In the next, we are going to make a moving lip by using this sheet, a red color sheet. So folding the each edges in this way with the help of finger. Do the same on other side. It's ready. So here we are going to make a Santa Claus with the using sheet. So here we are going to use another sheet to make the Santa Claus beard. Apply it over in this way. It's ready. Now taking a sheet, drawing like this. Here we are making a hanging plant. So just using a green and black marker and by using a pointed thumb, we are coloring it up like this. Thank you for watching.